Hi guys, it's Rhonda from R&J RV Adventures, and we're coming at you with another Keto Krate. In all honesty, I forgot to cancel Keto Krate. The other two that I got were just to try it out to see if I liked what they do put in their crates, and I did, but I was going to cancel because it is a bit pricey. But since I forgot to cancel, they billed me and sent me another one, and it was full price, but I'm still excited about it. Still get to see what kind of low carb, keto friendly stuff that they send. And as you know, we are on the road traveling quite a bit, and we like to have really good low carb, keto friendly stuff with us. That way we don't get off track, because we're doing really, really good with our keto lifestyle, and we want to continue that. So let's dig into the box. All right, here we go. All right, what is this? November 2021 Keto Krate. Stressed, blessed, and keto snack obsessed. All right, and they always have some coupons and stuff in here. All right, the first thing I see right out of the box is Hawaiian barbecue gourmet walnuts. Oh my goodness. This right here is gonna be something I love. Like I said before, I love anything barbecue flavored. This has, let me see, looks like 5 grams of carbs for the pack, for the whole pack. Yeah, 5 carbs, 5 net carbs for the whole pack. So that is not bad. That's a great little snack, and I am probably going to love it. All right, next. Oh, I see a meat stick on top. This is maple and pepper, and it is another Kraft pork stick. We got one last time, and I think it was Thai green chili something or other, something like that. Not the greatest, but this one sounds interesting. Maple and pepper. So there we go. And let's see if it has the carbs. If it has any carbs. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Let's see. It's got 2 grams of carbs and 1 gram of sugar. So that's what you get in this. All right, next up, what do we got here? We got Good to Go chocolatey chip blondies. Ooh, okay. So these are kind of like a brownie, but more like a chocolate chip cookie kind of thing. And it says there are 5 net carbs and 1 gram of sugar. And there's 2 of them in here. So that'll be a good shareable snack for me and Jim. So we'll definitely have to try these out. All right, and what did we got here? We got something called Fat Snacks Cookies. 1 net carb, gluten-free, and keto maple pecan. Ooh, that sounds good, doesn't it? Maple pecan. It's the right season for maple and pecan and all that good stuff. Yum. All right, next one. So that's 4 so far. This is number 5. This is Keto Wise Chocolate Peanut Blast, and it is some sort of, they say it's a meal bar. 1 gram of sugar. It's got MCT oils, and it's maltitol free. I can barely say that word. Let's see how many carbs it's got total. Let's see. It's got 8 carbs. So this is to be like a meal replacement bar. So that's 8 carbs. So that's not bad if you're using it for a meal, but that's a lot of carbs if it's just for a snack. But it does kind of sound good. So I'm pretty sure Jim will eat that one. All right, now we have Monk Pack Keto Granola Bar. 1 gram of sugar, 2 net carbs. 5 grams of protein, plant-based, grain-free, and gluten-free. It is flavor almond butter cocoa chip. So I'm not sure. It seems quite dense. It says it's a granola bar, but it may be more of a protein bar, and I really don't like the texture and flavor of protein bars themselves, so this will probably go to Jim. All right, now we have Shrewd Keto Dippers. They're milk chocolate coated protein puffs. This says the smartest way to keto. and it is 3 net carbs and 7 grams of protein. So they're puffs coated in chocolate. I've never seen these ones before. We'll definitely have to try these. I'm willing to try anything with chocolate, right? Very cool. So that is number 7 out of here. All right, what do we got here? We got keto snack chips. They're ranch flavored. No sugar, 8 grams of protein, premium MCTs, 2 grams of net carbs. And that's for the whole thing. They kind of all squished into one side here, but yeah, that's quite a bit. So that might be pretty tasty. I'm not much on ranch, but I'll definitely give them a try. All right, let's see what we got here. We have Ross chocolates. They're milk chocolate minis. No sugar added with high fiber, sweetened with stevia extract. Okay, not bad. I like stevia. Okay, per serving you get, let's see how many carbs you get. So per serving you get 15 minus 7, that's 8. Minus your sugar, alcohols is 5. So it's 3 net carbs. Does it say that on the front? No, it does not. So it's 3 net carbs per serving, and that's 5 pieces of these. So that's pretty decent. And it says there's 3 servings per container. So you get quite a bit, I guess. It's chocolate. It's going to be good, right? All right, what else we got here? We got some almond flour crackers. Yay, I'm always down to try new crackers. And it says it's 1 net carb and 14 grams of fiber. So that's pretty good. They are sea salt flavored, and that's it. Gluten-free and low carb. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I always am looking for any good crackers. It's really hard to find good keto-friendly crackers. So this is definitely at the top of my list to try out of all this stuff. I love crackers, and I just can't find ones that fit our lifestyle, you know, because everything is so heavy and high in carbs. It's just difficult. All right, so let's get to this a little bit more here. We have some Chalk Zero keto friendly, no added sugar, double dipped almonds. So they're milk chocolate style and coconut. I don't do coconut. I can't stand coconut most times. I really want to like these. I will try them. Excuse me. I will try them. Oh man, I am just not a coconut person. And sometimes it makes my throat itchy, so I'm slightly allergic to it. So I'll give them a try. I may have to give them to somebody else. It says there are, where did it say? Oh, 20 almonds wrapped in pairs. So they're all individually wrapped in here too. So that's good. So I can give them away if I need to, not have them just open. All right, looks like this is the last thing in here. Crispy Cuts pork rinds island barbecue recipe. Again, barbecue pork rinds in the Keto Krate. Kind of dig that. So I'll be trying these ones to see how good they are. It says they're 1 carb per serving, and there's 2 servings per container. So 2 carbs if you eat the whole thing. That ain't bad. That's pretty cool. All right, so all in all, we got
2 hours later.
11 total. We got 12 things in this Keto Krate. So that's pretty dang good. And most of the stuff I will definitely give it a try. Some of it I'm a little iffy about. I will try it though. I'm always willing to try it. So for me, this isn't something that I'll continue every month. Probably it is on the pricier side. I'm not really wanting to spend like 40 bucks a month for this. I have managed to find, or I should say we have managed to find some good keto snacks in the grocery stores. And this is brands that I really haven't heard of, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I'm still torn on the whole 40 bucks a month for snacks like this. So let us know what you think of it. Do you have Keto Krate, or have you tried it before? let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. As you know, we're mostly RV YouTubers. We travel around and video our adventures and everything. We don't always do keto videos. We just do them here and there. And I know some of you may not really be all into the keto stuff, but it's part of our lifestyle, and we are RVers. We do travel quite a bit, and finding snacks to take with us on the road is important to us. So that's why we put out keto videos as well, if you were kind of wondering about that. Eating this way has really helped both Jim and myself. So that's why we kind of decided to start throwing in the keto videos. So as I asked before, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And for Jim and myself, we thank you very much for watching our videos. And as always, never take anything for granted. And we will see you out there. Bye.